Hey guys, Michigan Custom Craftworks. Welcome back to my leather shop. So just a quick wrap up. It is 18th October, Friday 2024. So yeah, this was the belt I did that you guys saw me punching yesterday out. This designer belt, new customer of mine. It is a Calvin Klein belt, and contact the customer. It's already going to be getting ready to ship out here, and had this nice little it's a slotted buckle. So that's why the slotted belt holes. He said this is 3 years old, and it's already pretty worn here, pretty stretched too. So put them side by side. Here's the belt we did for him. He wanted it stitched in. Got the keeper on there. You guys saw that yesterday. He purchased a new slotted buckle from them. So it was just basically a remake. So side by side, and there you have it. Here's the slotted holes you guys saw me do yesterday. He's wearing it about the second hole from the back. So I used the black wax thread, my maker stamp, and I double and triple stitched down and over the top. I did a overlock on it, top and bottom, as you can see that. Alright guys, I'm back on the gator, and a book cover, a pink leather book cover. Stay tuned to that. That's probably going to post tomorrow. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great weekend. Michigan Custom Craftworks, and I'm out.